Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
C'est Adassa?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes, Adassa, you I call me I emission.
Yes.
What is it?
I see.
You finish?
Yes.
Yes, you finish. Me, I come back to me. I evening.
Okay.
Hello.
You understand?
I understand.
Hello, Adasa, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm here. You is
What are
who?
you doing?
Eh?
What are you doing?
Mwana tiko mankenga do respect ko to sola kama kambo to sola. Wana nde olingo yeba suni. Eh? Olobi ni loba ngonanu. You speak you see easy here.
Okay, I understand.
I'm here home. I'm here.
What are you doing?
Mna utu kosoma balinette mama. Sina lati yango.
Papa, oncle t'a dit I devening aveugle.
Mais atuninga soke sina somi balinette yango na lobby.
I porting is lunette for aveugle.
Yes.
You want?
I devening aveugle.
Okay, I wait.
Hein?
I wait.
Mama nde na komi kolata te? Yango wana.
I wait.
Ouais, I wait, mama.
I wait.
I wait, mama. I wait.
I'm waiting for you to come take me.
Eh?
Huh? You seconded no.
Mom, you excuse me.
You say kiss he is my is no.
Mom's is no cause.
You say kiss man for moms
Is
for
no cause.
Is cooking.
Yeah. Mais you excuse me, why? Ah, no. I talk is.
Huh?
I talk is. Serious, yeah.
You talk is?
Yes.
Talk is for Libandis?
Yes, ma'am, Spirinto. One, Adas is monkey is me.
Adassa
Is fair pied today. Is fair pied.
is marked for English 2022.
Yeah.
Bande kunangai oza congolais olingaka mboka oyo olingaka bana orphelinat vida ezobenga yo tango zimwa moke yo kolia yo kofete na bana kanisela pe bango
mutu azala mutima mawa oyo aza na bozwi ate ya mokie tosunga orphelinat vida na $1 apamba bana balia balala bien bamela bien nzambe nanga ne ya yo apambola biso nyonso
bana mokili mobimba to soutenir bana na kati ya orphelinat vida na $1 ya pamba nzambe akopambola yo akozongisela yo ebele mpona nini oye kosoutenir baorphelin
na $1 na yo na $1 na biso en tout cas ekoliesa bana bitike po bafete na décembre oyo
orphelinat vida baza na posa na biso ndenge bana na biso bavivaka na ndako ndenge mpe bana ya vida il faut bavivre yo moto oyokaka mawa parce que jusque là bato mawa basilati
$1 seulement. Franc congolais, nous en avons kaka 2000 francs pour la kosunga ba orphelin, ba fêter bonne année, neti kaka bana nyoso au bazar wandako ba parents.
soki tosangani bato ebele na ba $1 na biso vi ya bana wana bakolongola na mutu na bango ke bazalaka na baparent te alors soki ozopesa epa ya bana nzambe récompense nini kozala ndenge nini orphelinat vida baza na posa na biso
Orphelinat vida eza bongo structure oyo eza kokamba bana bitike bongo lokola ba fête ya Noël na bonne année ekomi pembeni naza kosenga na bino oyo aza na motema malamu motema ya bolingo motema ya bonzambe opesi kaka $1 $1 mpona kopermettre bana na biso baorphelin bafete mpe lokola bana nyonso.
Vous êtes sur Top Media TV. Voilà, merci mesdames et messieurs, les abonnés de Sarato la télévision, les abonnés de Top Media Télévision, soyez les bienvenus. Moi, c'est votre frère Tadingalapa. My name is Tadingalapa. I'm présentateur is cette émission.
Non.
Let me finish my introduction.
Take it.
Je suis Tadingalapa. Je pense que pas mal de temps, bon, mon akingaïté avec ma très chère Sarato là, Ope Belé, Balobiete, Toye, Sakibino, Bakopane. Pose la team ou Komboso, Agobota Moki là, donc nous sommes là. C'était juste dit à moi, nous autres et Tomisamaki, moi malade de Kota qui nous autres, mais les bons écran, ASALI na marque naie. Voilà pourquoi le lot, Toye Kozong et la sous mon sala. Liboso Nabino, une nouvelle année. OYO et ESOBE s'annoncer déjà, nous sommes presque à la fin de cette année. Nzambe Azwalokumu Machanzolipe et Zonepanaye. Sincèrement, cette émission, ça va vous faire du bien. Cette émission, c'est le tout premier numéro. Il y a Ndegeto qui est vers la fin de l'année. Il y a émission OYO. Vous savez, l'anglais 2022 est mon cas qui bat tuer belé. Bandeko Balandi. Internet peut ESOBE la moto. Internet et ESOBE la moto. Internet est Zika. Internet Makambwezali est belé. Et beaucoup de personnes basé là qui au moins analyse ya plateau OYO, analyse de cette dame au nom de Sarato là, mais affaire beta yango kara ko kipe yango te ko tala yango te ko tia kutata accenté et zo continuer ESOBE Sabato Maboma. Pourquoi ESOBE Sabato Maboma? Très bien, merci beaucoup ma meilleure fan du monde de près ou de loin, le président bébé, maman Nathalie Nana Moussibou, Angelos Karouane, Sol la Bambemba, Fatou de Conti Makia la Kumba. Un grand merci encore une fois à Maman Bijon Ketani, Maman va 90%. Maman, je portais des lunettes, pas de choix. Un grand merci à Papa Jean-Pascal Leka, boss. Papa Jean-Pascal, merci beaucoup pour notre message conseil. Maman Deborah Lubanda, Kilo Amera Calgary. Maman Zozo, la femme de Papa Noé Mavaka Lanzinga, a mis le respect Nabino. Et pourquoi pas na Maman Yvette Mbangu, Bino Baignon Sobobolinga.
I farming is spotted.
Tozali awalelo avec Sarato la Tope Sabino Makamo Malonga, Makamo Bino Bolingaka Mingi. Mais je m'aimerais à ce que cette émission que nous commençons ça en anglais. Ça sera juste pour 10 petites minutes, juste en anglais. Une façon yako yeba soki pena. Anglais en opéna et kota qui sera moi malamu. Bon de livre, ceux qui ont le langage moko au fond là déjà plateau, hein? Une façon pour nous ya kozwa déjà ça.
I porting is my lunet is here.
Sarah, in question.
Me I know aveugle. Me I know aveugle. I know aveugle.
Mam se spirinto temporis.
Yes, me I know aveugle. I porting my lunet is here for emission.
You insult
for
me
concordance.
Is avec.
No insult you. Me I speak is my lunet is no aveugle. Me I view. You I ported lunet is aveugle.
Ah, me no t'apporte my lunet is aveugle, yeah? No. No. Hey, you acheting is news telephone.
Yes.
Yeah. You is a boss lady, eh?
Yes. Me, I boss lady.
Yeah.
From Tatapo. Me.
Yeah.
I acheted his phone is demi. Phone is here, Daddy.
Yes. You
phone is here.
You panzing your phone is here. You panzing.
Me, I panzing. Yes, I panzing for here is farming.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good. Beauty. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
His telephone is deputy.
Yes.
Ministre.
Yes. I see. Yeah.
Gouverneur.
Yeah.
Is president.
Yes, he's president. He's sporting. Is here.
Is here.
Yes.
Is the president? Is sporting? Is here. Yes.
You is money beaucoup.
Ah, daddy.
You is money beaucoup.
Me no money beaucoup. Me I money petty.
No, you are setting is here. Is money beaucoup.
Money is petty. Money is petty.
No, you is money beaucoup.
No.
Mam's spirito.
No flatting. You is devening is aveugle.
No.
Why?
No, like this. I don't know aveugle. I porting because I not supporting les
luminosity time.
Yes, luminosity time. Yeah.
No time. Luminosity time.
Luminosity time.
No time. Luminosity time.
Luminosity time.
No time. Luminosity time.
No time. Luminosity time.
No tie, luminosity.
No tie, luminosity.
You, I speak luminosity.
Me, I speak luminosity.
You crazy?
I crazy.
Yes.
Yes.
I comprehend you. I be crazy.
Yeah. I crazy. Yeah. I crazy. Luminosity. Yes, crazy.
Yes, crazy. You are crazy.
Yeah, I crazy luminosity. Yes. Mais I call you speaking mom's Dinana give you money beaucoup.
Mom's Dinana, I call me for Bandalungwa.
Yeah. You parting.
Me I parting.
Yeah.
I arrived. I cutting mom's. I
couture.
Défrisage.
Yeah. Défrisage is a chevy.
His hair.
Comprenez mon émotion.
You aveugle. You kosu.
Moi ban. Not is aveugle.
Yeah. No. Lynette is aveugle. You
tree is fair. You parting, you cutting.
I parting chez boss lady Dinana. I coming. I insisted. No, Saratola is my ear. Is my sister.
Yeah.
My fire.
Come on, yeah.
You comprehend?
Yes, I comprehend. Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, you understand. Yeah.
I speak is ouverture, my cheveux is défrisage.
Yes.
Boss lady is pay.
Is pay your cheveux.
Your cheveux.
Yeah.
Is pay. I parting is envelope.
Money beaucoup.
No, petit.
You giving me petit money.
No, me
I speak.
I give money petit.
Me I
no malediction.
No moms. Me I belly.
You devening aveugle. Me I malediction for you devening clocher.
No, me no.
Clocher is here.
No. No, is Jesus. No. Is I not is Swedish. No.
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Your phone is son, huh?
Phone is here.
Yes.
The calling is grand authority.
Yes. I
message entered for here for telephone.
Yes.
Is money.
Yeah.
I call me his telephone.
Yeah. I comprends.
Is money.
Yeah, I comprend that. Yeah. Et puis, Mams Belleville is call you?
Mams Belleville, I call Mams. I call Mams is here. Is fête.
Oh, is beauty. Picture.
No, is Musenji. Why? You, I fais comme ça, il prend une photo.
Yes.
Automatique.
Is
Beaucoup, photo, beaucoup.
Is a picture, a photo. Oh. Is a beauty, huh? Hmm? Oh yes. You.
Non, beaucoup.
Petit. You send me is a picture is here.
No send you. My picture is here for my phone.
You give me one picture.
No give the picture. You aveugle, hein? You deafening, you aveugle.
No.
Ask
Cyprien is picture.
Posting.
No.
Papa Jago is posting the photo is here for my YouTube.
Oh my God.
Tadi ngalapa, you deafening is aveugle.
She is me?
Yes, for you.
Oh my God, Jesus.
You deafening vide loin.
No, like this, hein?
Aina.
Mais Mams Bellevue a balancing samedi.
I balancing,
yeah.
I know calling.
Yeah.
Why? I balancing.
I know calling.
I take it is audio.
Yeah.
I take it is audio. Mams, you balancing. Samedi is here.
Yeah. Samedi is here, yeah.
No, is here.
Yeah. Samedi is here. Yeah. Yes. You verify. You. Balubagani, mama.
Please,
yes.
You're white.
Yes. Because I don't know. I don't know like this because.
Ifunanya.
Ifunanya. Lomage. I speaking my English is very good.
I speaking. You interpreted.
Yes. Let's go.
I fête.
Fête wana.
I fête.
Azo fêté.
I fête.
Kasi I fête. Azo fêté te.
Na like ça anglais wana ki I fête azo fêté.
Kasi mama ka do tanksia te mama.
Fête oyo.
Yes. Repeat again. Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
I fête.
Fête oyo.
Fête is Noel.
Ya Noel.
I give you.
Azo pesa yo.
Abonné.
Les abonnés. Kasi yango na lobi.
I give you.
Azo pesa bino ba mère fan na ba abonné.
De gratios.
Gratios nde ezo komate. Mama.
De gratios.
Bakopesa ngata page wana na luka na tala. De gratios wana nde ezo yate.
Me, I coping you.
No. Mam c'est spiritual. Easy question. I no comprended. Yeah.
I gratios.
Azo ko sala bino grâce.
Me no spirit. No Holy Spirit. Me I speaking.
Yeah, that spiritualité te siko azo expliquer.
Yes. I gratios.
Ezo yate. Oko changer ta forme te, mais ça quand même loko, o changer ka forme.
No changing form.
I gratios, bango pe ba comprendre kaka. Non, mais bon comprendre. I gratios, ba comprendre. Eza pe na makamususu na français, na lingala ezalaka te. Na anglais pe c'est pareil.
Interpreted is French. Yes.
Mais ezo yate. Qui peut m'aider là-bas derrière? Maman, nde ozo kolba gratuit? Gratios, nde gratuit.
Na mon tina au travail na exact.
Te mam, is question gratuit.
Siko na mayelo no tango yoka gratios et le beloni.
Vient du mot gratuit.
Et alors?
Easy. I come in.
I gratuit.
Gratuitement?
Nana baxeli oma.
Na katima. Ma wana na katima ma. Na nzambe zo mona ngano chango lusute. Toki na longoli ma wana.
I gratuit.
Gratuit, ouais.
I gratuit.
Azoko gratuité.
Daddy.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Today. I couping the contract.
Mais si you is couping me.
I cherching.
My vie is pourri. Yeah.
No pourri. You devenir clochard. You devenir aveugle. Why pourri? I cutted
boss lady, sorry,
ma'am. I couping automatic.
Sorry, mommy. Sorry.
I gratuit.
I gratuit. Onzambe. Eyo sanga na ba point. Gratuit.
I want to change. I gratuit.
Acheli bino ya ofele.
Acheli bino ya ofele uti wapi?
Siko mama. Bon, ofele.
I gratuit.
Nazo pesa bino ya ofele.
I gratuit.
Nazo pesa bino ya ofele.
No. I gratuit.
Nzambe na ngai. Zana bilo misusu ya kaki.
I calling for my
Your boss?
My boss.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Say the Adasa.
Come on.
Yes, Adasa, you I call me I emission.
Yes.
What is it? You finish? Yes, you finish. Me I come back to me I devening.
Hello.
You understand?
I understand.
Hello, Adasa, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm here. You is who? Eh?
What are you doing?
Mwana tiko mankenga do respect ko to sola kama kambo to sola. Wana nde olingo yeba suni. Eh? Olobi ni loba ngona. You speak. You see easy.
Okay, I understand.
Bon, I'm here, home. I'm here.
What are you doing?
Mna utu kosoma balinette mama. Sina lati yango.
Papa, oncle t'a dit I devening aveugle.
Mais atuni nga soke sina somi balinette yango na lobi.
I porting is lunette for aveugle.
Yes.
You what?
I devening aveugle.
Okay, I wait.
Hein?
I wait.
Mama nde na komi kolata te? Yango wana.
I wait.
Ouais, I wait, mama.
I wait.
Mama.
I'm waiting for you to come take me.
Hein?
Huh? You seconded no.
Ma'am, you excuse me.
You say kiss is my is no.
Mom's is no cause.
You say kiss ma for mom's
Is
for
no cause.
Is cooking.
Yeah.
Is
manking me is respect. No.
Yes.
Not like this.
Is entourage. Is for
kiss me.
Yes.
Oh,
Is
no,
me
no,
for
no,
you.
no.
Yeah. Is camarade.
I simply know.
I camarade. Is kiss.
Sure.
Is parling. Oh,
kiss no.
Mom's for you is parling par English. Finish.
You is finish, Adasa.
Finish.
Il fait pied. Is here identity is maison. Pied.
Is
inverti ici, is maison ici.
Is pied.
You his pied today.
Today you
his pied. Pied. You his maison.
Maison is here.
Is no like this. No like this.
You say kiss.
You say kiss me Adasa. Me
No.
is your nokos. On sec note is nokos.
Nokos. You manqued for respect the nokos.
Nokos is mams. Falipupa is chanting. Nokos no money. But is important is matanga. Is fatty. Yes. But you say kiss me why? Why? No. I talk is. I talk is. Serious, yeah.
You talk is?
Yes.
Talk is for Libandis?
Yes, ma'am. Spirito. One. Adas is monkey is me.
Adasa
is faire pied today. Il fait pied.
Is marked for English 2022.
Yeah.
No respect.
No respect, yeah.
No like this.
No like this, yeah.
No.
Why?
No like this, why? I coping.
I
enerved.
I silic.
You marked your knuckles.
Knuckles is respect.
No like this.
No like this, coping.